Introducing Omada, a digital health program that uses a combination of proven behavioral science and rich data science to help build healthy habits that stick. If you're at risk for type 2 diabetes or heart disease, you're eligible to enroll. Once you're on board, we send you a wireless scale that's already linked to your account. All you have to do is this. Then, based on input you give us, we match you with a health coach whose job it is to monitor your progress, give feedback, and provide the personalized guidance you need to be successful. We also match you with a community of other participants a lot like you for added support, accountability, and sometimes a little healthy competition. During the first 4 months, you track your food and activity. Meanwhile, you take weekly interactive lessons that teach you how to make little changes that can make a big difference across 4 key areas that impact your health. And you gain skills that help you replace current habits with healthier ones. It's this combination of accountability, support, tools, and insights all working together that makes the Omada program so powerful. Within a few months, your thousands of data points paint a clear picture of what new habits are working best for you and where you need to double down on effort. Then you can work with your coach to focus on the challenges that are most critical for your long-term success. Omada provides personal support, powered by science, to inspire you to be your own cure in lots of tiny, totally doable steps. Are you ready to take the first one? Omada, healthy habits for life.